Hi guys, this is just going to be a short video, but I'm going to show you the finished product for the last slime video. And I'm going to be making a quick slime bubble.